Your sweat is dripping onto your phone screen while you scroll through social media ads late at night and you see it. A sleek little device that promises to turn your bedroom into an Arctic tundra for a fraction of the cost of a real unit. It looks perfect. It looks clean. It looks like the answer to all your summer nightmares. But before you hit that checkout button on the BlizzAir, we need to talk about the reality of what you are actually buying. I spent some time looking into this specific portable cooling unit, and the red flags are popping up like weeds. First, let's look at those glowing reviews on their official website. They are all 5 stars. Every single person seems to be living in a winter wonderland thanks to this tiny plastic box. Here is the problem. Any company can write whatever they want on their own site. It is their playground. When you try to find a real person on an independent site talking about this thing, the trail goes cold. That lack of outside chatter is a massive warning sign. If a product is truly changing the world, people are talking about it on forums and independent review platforms, not just on a curated sales page. Then there is the actual tech inside the machine. The marketing makes it sound like a miniaturized version of the massive unit sitting outside your house. It is not. These devices are usually just evaporative coolers. They use a little water and a fan to create a breeze. That feels great if the air is blowing directly onto your face while you sit at your desk. It feels like a cool mist on a hot day. But do not expect this thing to drop the temperature of an entire room by 20 degrees. It physically cannot do that. It lacks the compressors and the chemicals and the exhaust hoses needed to actually remove heat from a space. Evaporative cooling works by pulling warm air through a wet filter. As the water evaporates, it absorbs some heat. This is an ancient technique. It works incredibly well in the desert where the air is bone dry. But if you live in a place with even a little bit of humidity, that filter will struggle to do much of anything. In fact, it might just make your room feel damp and sticky. Real air conditioning uses a chemical refrigerant to actually pull heat out of the air and pump it outside. That is why your window unit has a big back end that sticks out of the house. That is why Central Air has a massive compressor in the yard. This little box has none of that. It is just a fan blowing over a wet sponge. If you buy this expecting to replace your Central Air, you are going to be sitting in a very humid, very warm room with a lighter wallet. The website itself is another point of concern because it just appeared out of nowhere recently. Brand new sites with no history make me nervous. They often disappear as fast as they arrive. If you still feel like taking the gamble because you just want a little personal fan for your nightstand, please protect yourself. Use a payment method like a credit card or a protected digital wallet that allows for easy disputes. Do not just hand over your debit card info to a ghost company. Stay smart and keep your expectations grounded before you spend your hard-earned cash on a promise that might just be a lot of hot air. Take a breath. Look at the specs. If it does not have a vent to push hot air outside, it is just a fan. Know the difference before you buy.